Turkey Day is just about a week away, followed by a December full of holiday gatherings. So joining us with festive appetizers to fill the season with flavor is lifestyle expert Christina Daves. Always so good to see you.
So excited to be here.
I am still loving all of the food that you brought for our tailgate. You always have the best foods, and I know the main dish is always like the star. I love the appetizers.
I'm the appetizer queen.
Me too.
Everybody loves it. But before we dive into the appetizers, this is so great. This is called cocktail graffiti.
Okay.
And you can custom make anything you want. Like you could have the Wayland, welcome to the Waylands, and you put it in a drink. And you do like in a Bailey's or eggnog, and you just put it on top. It dissolves in about 20 minutes. It's all edible.
Where do you get one of these?
That cocktail graffiti?
Cocktail graffiti.
And it'll be on my website, so you can go. But you can custom. Aren't they fabulous?
That's such a fun way, you know, especially if like just welcoming in with maybe some...
Just start out with your signature cocktail.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, how fabulous. All right, let's move on to some munchies.
So this is all about ease. You've got a little one. You don't want to be in the kitchen the whole time. I'm an empty nester. When my kids are coming home, I want to be with them. So during the holiday season, I want you to have a sliced baguette in your freezer and pre-baked Phyllo cups.
Okay.
Okay. So, going to give you the easiest recipes. And when you do this, think of the foods you love. So this right here, I just toasted a little baguette, put a little avocado on. It's a BLT.
Oh my gosh.
Right?
It's brilliant.
Easy
and
bite.
what is this one that we're seeing?
Okay, we call these Scooby snacks. It's blue cheese, equal parts blue cheese and butter. But it's delicious. And then you broil it, put a little sugar on top. Fantastic. These are unbelievable. Just toast the bread a little bit.
Okay.
Get sharp cheddar cheese.
Yes.
And then you want some honey, truffle honey, I guess.
Okay.
And you just drizzle it on top.
Okay.
Huge hit.
Oh,
easy. See, these take you 2 minutes.
So
as long as you
have these on hand, because the rest of the stuff, I mean, you just pretty much have, or you just...
I bought pre-sliced. You can buy pre-cooked bacon.
See, this is why I love you, because we all want to be with our families, of course, enjoying the food, but you don't want to be distracted all the time. Okay, let's move on to some of these.
This you can put on chicken, fish. I do equal parts of Kalamata olives, sun-dried tomato, and put some feta in. So put that on a crostini with hummus. There you go, appetizer.
Oh my gosh, delicious. And then what is this?
This is just avocado, put some red pepper, sea salt, and crab. Always have crab on hand. That's a good thing. If you can get some good crabbed canned crab.
Yeah.
Talking backwards.
No, because we're all in that holiday mode. Our brains are all over the place. That's delicious, though.
It's so good. And then you just put it on a crostini. Crostini's super easy. Olive oil, sea salt, 10 minutes in the oven at 450.
Brilliant. And then there was another one over there, too.
This is just a pre-bought pesto sauce, prosciutto, fresh mozzarella.
So easy. But the way that you do it, it looks like you spent so much time.
That's the secret. Okay, now our Phyllo cups. These are great.
Okay.
So chicken salad, seafood salad, pre-buy it at the store, or I put a super easy recipe on my website.
Okay.
You just put them in and then just top them. Throw a grape on, throw a walnut on.
Yeah.
Makes it look pretty. A roasted red pepper. It just gives it a little...
beautiful and so easy too.
And then you've got some baked Brie bites. Just take the Brie, put a little bit, anything you like, jelly, jam, apricot, whatever that is, and then just top it with a walnut when you're done. So there we go. There's another appetizer.
And again, so easy. And it's also better because then you don't have everybody like trying to, you know, dip in and cut, and it just keeps it a little bit more sanitary for everyone.
Okay, and now dessert.
Yes.
My favorite. This is so easy. Find an instant pudding mix. I found this one right here, York peppermint patty. Who knew?
I love York peppermint patties.
Instant pudding, you make it, just put it, and you can do this, you just put it in a plastic bag with the little nozzle, you know, the cookie decorating nozzle. Just squeeze it in.
Okay.
You got it? Look how easy that is.
Oh my gosh.
Look, that's it. And then top it. Top it with a cherry, top it with whipped cream, shake some Andes. Look.
Look.
You have just made the easiest dessert ever.
So brilliant. And then, yeah, like you said, or you could even do, you know, for Christmas, like the red and green little M&Ms or something on the top. You can get creative. If I can do these things, you can at home as well. ChristinaDaves.com. Also, make sure you're following her on Instagram as well. So many great recipes and just things to make the holidays a little smoother and a little easier.
Happy holidays.
Thanks for brightening our set
Always good
all
to
the
see
time. We'll have more of Good Morning Washington after the break. Stay with us.